6:15 in the morning. I'm going to be taking out my faux locks today. I'm putting on glasses because I need sleep, but that's not the topic of the day. Yeah, so today I'm gonna take out my faux locks. I had these in for like 3 weeks. I wanted to do a video basically showing you guys how I did my faux locks, but honestly I did not know what I was doing to show you guys what I was doing when I did my faux lock. But I was just like, yeah, let me just make sure before I tell people how to install them, because I honestly don't know how I'm gonna get these out of my head. I didn't look it up before I put them in, and like when I try to like take some of them out, like, yeah, I'm nervous, but we'll see how it turns out for me. And then I'm gonna be doing a, not deep conditioner, I'm doing an AZTEC clay mask, and then I'm gonna be trying out this brush. Like, I'm so late on this wave, but I've been wanting to try one, and I was in the beauty supply store and I saw it, so I was like, oh, let me just get one. And it looks like pretty good quality. It's by Red. I have a flat iron by this company, and it's $7. So yeah, we're gonna try it out today, see what all the hype's about. I'm very like die hard about my Demon brush, so if this impresses me, I'm gonna be really surprised. So it's just gonna be like a protective style aftercare video, I guess. And then, but after this video, I'm gonna be recording a wash and go. Yeah, because you guys seem to really like my wash and go, so I'm gonna try another gel and do a wash and go. I'm rambling, guys. Are you still here? All right, let's get into this video. I have to cut out all these rubber bands, so I'm gonna do that really quick. And I have rubber bands on this because, like I said, I didn't know what I was doing, so some of the ends would like slide down and the locks would just like not stay. If you guys did soft locks, faux locks before, I wonder which way I was supposed to like finish my ends for it to be easy to take out, because people were knotting their ends. I have knots. I'm not looking forward to taking this out at all. I hope I don't get copyrighted because I was playing music. I'm gonna pull it out. Yeah, this is my hair right here. So now I can cut all this end off. Okay, this might not be that hard if I could find all the ends, because all the ends have rubber bands on them. I hope all my hair is in the rubber bands. Okay, this might not be that bad. Yeah, definitely, guys, when I have the patience to sit down for 10 hours again, plus because now I'm going to be recording it, I'll definitely make the video, because it's actually not that bad. But I'm speaking too soon because this is like the first one. So easy. Okay, my hair still feels moisturized. That's what I like about this, because like it just wraps and protects your hair. Like my hair is literally in the same condition that I put it in the locks in. It hasn't been that long for it to be like super dry or anything. I know my front of my hair is not this long. Let me stop. Wish me luck for when I get to the back of my head and I can't see what's going on, because oh, I got a little trim. I needed it. This is what we're not gonna do. Usually people assume their hair is longer than it is. I guess I'm assuming it's shorter than it is. Next time I'm gonna make them all the same length. Who does this to their hair? Who? Why? Why would I do this? There's my hair. Found it. And there's no rubber band on it. That was close, because I almost was gonna cut this. Oh my gosh, this is so stressful. I might take this back and say I might not do a video, because no. This side was shorter than this side. I mean, it's not a big deal. I'm dragging it, honestly. Might as well. I think I cut my hair again. Why? How? This is, I can't. Oh God, I did twice wrapped. Great, forgot that. Oh. There's a bug. Why every time I want to record, it has to be chaotic? Where was I? Definitely cut my hair. Nice and blunt. How? It was folded up. Oh my gosh. I'll come back when I'm almost done. I can't. So this is what I have left. Not too many. And luckily, since like the last clips I showed you, I haven't cut my hair. It's literally almost 3. It's 2:32. I started this at 10, but I took mad breaks, like I said. And this one is still folded up with rubber band because I wanted to show you guys how it was folded. Look at her paws. She's so cute. But yeah, I have all of my LOCS taken out. I just have to take the actual twist out, which is not going to be too bad. And then I could finally put my AZTEC clay mask in my hair and then wash my hair. And then I'm probably going to style it for you guys. I'm probably just going to do a slick back bun with like some edges. Still got your things here. Okay, it's almost 8 p.m. My hair is taken out. I was chilling for a minute. I needed a break. I gotta shave my armpits, so don't mind me. I look as tired as I feel. I'm gonna do my AZTEC clay mask just to, like, you know, clean my hair, get my curl back, and I haven't done one of these in a long time, so it's overdue. Yeah, I'm gonna put the AZTEC clay mask in here with this fork. Mix it up. You don't want to mix it with metal. Probably heard that a million times, but I'm gonna tell you again. Yeah, don't mix it with metal. I'm just gonna mix it up in here. Mix up a good amount because I have to put it all over my hair, and I'm probably gonna put some on my face too when I'm off camera. Alright, now we're at the end of this video finally. It's literally 8:51. I haven't even eaten yet, y'all. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I've taken like hella breaks, but this took all day. But I'm gonna finish off this video with some like moisturizing my hair, detangling it, and trying out that brush that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, and slicking it into like a slick back no part bun. We're gonna let the forehead shine tonight, and yeah, so let's get straight into that. So this brush here, I bought at the beauty supply for $7. It's been all the rave. That's what I've heard, like, and I see a lot of people use it in videos that I watch now. But before I use that, I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner from Yellow Organics. I'm running out of this, guys. Like, in my last wash and go video, I'm telling you guys, like, when I really actually liked these two products, well, all of the products, I really did, especially the leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna go in with some of that, not too much of it, and it smells so good. I also left some of my Aussie Moist in my hair, and I washed my hair with African black soap. And if you hear like trickling in the back, it's my fish tank. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but we're gonna try the brush. Wow. I'm gonna get my diamond brush and compare it. I like it. I haven't detangled my hair since I taken it out, so, and it feels like it grabs like way more hair than my diamond brush, which I like, so I can detangle way more hair. I don't know if it can replace Mrs. Denman, but she might be a really strong substitute. Wait, yeah, I have to get my diamond brush and try it on this side. No, I really like this brush, and I love the handle. Diamond brush does slip out of my hands a lot. Look at my curls. Okay, all right, we have them in here. Honestly, it does take more work to detangle. I don't know if I'm just used to it. Oh, it's raining. But yeah, I don't know if I'm just used to it. Let's go back to the other brush. I'm gonna use this another time for my wash and go, and then I'm gonna have my final thoughts. But so far, yeah, I really like this brush. If I was being more patient, it'd probably be way more effective, but now I'm gonna put some of this Meal Organics mint almond oil blend. Once again, for my last wash and go video, I love this oil. Love it, love it. And you think you need a lot, trust me, when your hair dries, you're gonna know that it got where it needed. I'm gonna put one more squirt. Get the kitchen. Smells like gum, like the hell? What the hell is going on? And am I bugging right now? It's raining. I'm thinking there's an earthquake. I'm ready to get down, go in my closet, run outside, half naked. Like, I don't even know. I'm panicking. Moving along. And I'm gonna brush it again. See, you can even tell the oil, but I feel like the oil is doing its thing. Both of those products just work so well together. Not sponsored, but if I was, you know. I'm just gonna brush all of my hair back in the same direction. A lot of brushing. This is a workout. Now I'm gonna take some of my Eco Styler gel and my hard brush, and I'm just gonna firstly just put a good amount on top of my head. Gonna run it generously throughout the rest of my hair as well, through my ends and stuff. And now that it's all throughout my hair, I'm gonna take my hard brush and I'm just gonna start brushing it back. Just don't be too rough, because these hard brushes are like really hard and they can pull out your hair. But we're just gonna start brushing it straight back. There's no way. Okay, we gotta hurry this up because my phone is literally dying. My brush just broke. The wind is blowing. We gotta wrap this up. So I'm just gonna start brushing my hair back. My hair is not that thick, so I do not need to like separate it in sections. Camera's dying. Make sure all the hair is brushed in the flattering direction, because if all my hair is pushed to the middle of my head, it makes my head look bigger. Now look at my middle part coming back. It's okay, we're gonna just fix that after. Now that that's all snatched, I'm just gonna take it and twist it around twice, and I'm just gonna leave a little tail out and secure it. And then I go back in with my hard brush and I'm just gonna slick it all down. I might let my camera battery charge and then finish it if it dies before I can lay my edges. All right, I'm taking my time now because it's not dying, so time is on my side. I'm gonna lay some edges. And I just use my toothbrush and I'm just gonna bring it out from the corners of my temples, and I'm just gonna swoop. Let me take off the glasses while I lay the edges, do some sideburns. And how I lay edges, I just literally like just pull the hairs out and then I just use the bristles in the direction I want to bring the hair. So even if that's this way, I'll just sweep the bristles with the hair over this way, and sooner or later it should follow where you're bringing it and just curl kind of by itself. And then you just keep smoothing it down, add more gel and product, edge control, whatever you use if you need to. Supposed to be no part, but it made its own part. It's been a long day. And we're gonna do this side, do this side, and I'll probably do like a detailed edge tutorial another time when my camera's not dying. All right, cute. And that is how I do my slick back bun with edges. Super cute. I kind of missed my hair after having it in FAUX for so long. Thank God my camera battery is still going. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this long video. I hope you guys were able to take something away from it, enjoy it. It was low-key chaotic. Every time I try to do something, not every time, but a lot of the times I try to record a video, or I set in my mind that I'm going to be productive that week, that's the week that things go wrong. But I push through, I move. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more content. I'll be posting another video very soon of a wash and go, and then I'm gonna be trying to apply this wig I wasted my money on. Anyways, I'll see you guys in another video.